Hey everybody, how are you doing today? Thank you for stopping by and coming to see me today. Today I'm going to be unboxing or unbagging. I never know the correct term because I feel like unboxing is what people search for, but it's technically an unbagging. Oh, and there's construction noise outside. Anyway, I'm going to be unbagging my May IPSY. It came really late this month. Let's dive right on in, and then after I pull everything out, I'll be trying on what I can. So feels like there's some things outside the bag, so let's do those first. Okay, this is what I redeemed my points for. When you review the items that you get in your bag on the IPSY website, you get points that you then can put towards getting a free product. So this is my point perk product. It is from Seraphine Botanicals. It's their Hibiscus and Balm Glow Lip Mask. I was really trying not to get a lip product, but I really didn't like any of the other options, so here is the little tube. As always, I rejoice when I see there's an actual seal on it. So many times there isn't. It's weird. Ooh, it smells good. Looks like a thick, sticky balm. Okay. I actually have another product from them that's like the same color. This is their berry and juice vegan lip gel that smells the exact same way. But this is definitely a balm versus a gel. It says boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with apricot, jojoba, rosehip, and evening primrose oils that work synergistically, to keep lips chappe-free, soothed, and plumped at the same time. Well, that just sounds lovely. Okay, what else was on the outside of the bag? Oh, this is my add-on. So I got one of the Kaja Beauty Bentos. I have been wanting these forever, and this year I'm finally been picking up a couple of them. And they have the Orange Blossom Trio in their little add-on sale. So if you haven't seen the little Kaja stacks, it's just little stacks of eyeshadows. And I really love their little twinkle shimmer formula. There's the top shade, the middle shade, and the bottom shade. Top, the middle, and the bottom. Oh, I just think they're so pretty. I'm looking forward to trying this today. Okay, but now let's get into the actual bag. I think the bag this month is really, really pretty, being pink with the pretty rose line art all over it. A little rose gold zipper pull. And look at my bag. It looks like there's nothing inside of it. Let's see here. So, squeezy tube number 1. This is from Gold Faden MD. This is their Solution Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. I'm not a huge fan of this brand. I had one of their masks that made my face burn and I couldn't use it, but hopefully this cleanser will work for me. Yeah, it has a seal on it, which I don't want to take it off to smell it or anything, to try and just keep it good as long as possible. Next, squeezy tube number 2. This is from Hey Honey. This is the Boosted Up Honey Rich Moisturizer. Looks like I got a skincare heavy bag this month, which I really do try to keep my bag makeup heavy since so much skincare doesn't work for me. Again, nicely has a seal on it, so I'm gonna leave the seal on to keep it fresh. Squeezy tube number 3. So this was my pick this month. IPSY has the option where you can choose one of your items. Usually I don't do it because I find I get a much better bag selection when I don't do it. Well, I went against my instincts and made a choice this month, and yeah, I think it affected negatively the rest of my bag because they sent me a bunch of skincare. But anyway, I'm excited about this product. This is from the Balm. This is the Antidotes Tinted Moisturizer. So I've been really into tinted moisturizers. I like to try out different ones. This is shade number 10. So I'll be trying that out today. That's exciting. Squeezy tube number 4. Oh no, this is from Hanalei. This is their Kona Peptide Hawaiian Eye Cream. Yeah, they sent me a moisturizer, a cleanser, and an eye cream. But I do like the brand Hanalei. I currently have a couple open eye creams, so this will just go in the backup stash to use once I use those up. Oh, I forgot to pull out the card. The theme for May is flower power. And there is one more item in here. It's from IPSY by Petra. It's a gloss. And looking at the card, this is the Lip Lift Max. A sample size in Peony Bloom. I have tried one of these before in a different shade and I loved it. It was like the shade Honey or something, but my lips are sensitive to whatever's in this that makes it a plumping thing. So I'm not even gonna take the plastic off of it. I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm just gonna pass this along to a friend. I think that might be the most boring bag I've received in a really long time. Oh no, know, but at least we do have this tinted moisturizer to try, my Kaja add-on, and this hibiscus lip mask. So let's get right into that. Before I put on the moisturizer, I'm going to put on some primer. I'm going to use my Revlon Photo Ready Pore Reducing Primer. And of course, I was already sunscreened up before I sat down to film, hence my glowy self once again. This particular sunscreen I'm using is the different one, and it's supposed to be like an oil controlling one. I was hoping I wouldn't be so shiny with it, but I'm still pretty shiny. All right, let's try this tinted moisturizer. I'm worried that this might be a little bit fair for me. Yay, there's a seal. Oh boy. Yeah, it might be fair. Oh no. Well, this will be fun. I'm gonna blend it out just with a sponge. Thankfully, once it blended out, it doesn't look too pale, so that's good. I mean, it is a tinted moisturizer, so it's not supposed to be very high coverage. Let's get some more. When using this little squeezy tube, I never know how much to squeeze out. The formula feels a lot thicker than I would have expected for like a tinted moisturizer, but it seems to be spreading out fine. Yeah, I would call, you know, sheer to light coverage. Let's see if we can build it up just a little bit on the cheeks. That's where I have some more blemishes poking through. I think it can be built up a little bit, but it's still pretty light coverage, which is fine. That's why I like a tinted moisturizer. I like it to look like my skin. All right, I think it's looking really, really nice. I'm gonna hop off camera, do a bunch of my makeup, and then come back to do the eyeshadow and the lip product. Oh, you know what? I forgot to tell you what tea I'm drinking. It's kind of earlier than I usually film, so I'm gonna blame it on just morning brain fog. This is from David's Tea. It's my first time trying anything from David's Tea. This is another sample that came in a Sips By box. I really love my Sips By. If you're getting to try different brands, this is the organic David's breakfast blend, and I did add some milk to it. It tastes like a really good, strong, robust breakfast tea. Oh, and I seriously needed it this morning. It's so good. Okay, now I will go do the rest of my makeup and then be back. Okay, I am back with the majority of my makeup on. In case you're wondering, I used the Honest Beauty blush today. I have the shade Rose Pink. I love it so much. I feel like I went a bit heavy-handed with my brows, but whatever, we're moving on. I'm so excited to use my little Kaja Orange Blossom Bento Beauty Box. So what I'm gonna do with this is what I do every time I use one of these. I use all three shades kind of watercolor across my lid from light to darkest. I do have eye primer on, so I'm gonna start with the darkest shade close to my outer corner. I'm gonna see if I can use this tiny little mirror on this, but I didn't peel this off yet. Ooh, yeah. Perfect. Next, I'm going to take the middle shade and pat that through the middle. Oh, I love that particular shade. All three are pretty, but that one, ooh, yes, I love it. That is beautiful. Then I'm going to take the top shade and just finish off the inner corner, inner lid, I should say. And just kind of meshing them all together for an extremely simple and totally me eye look. Then I just kind of tap to gently blend it up into the crease a little bit. I don't like to go too high with shimmer, but just a little bit. There, okay, I'm gonna do it to the other eye. Look at how pretty and glossy those super tiny little shimmer particles look. I love it so much. Let's put on mascara. I'm gonna use this little sample of the Benefit They're Real mascara. This is the one with like the spiky end on it. Look at my hands are super stripy where I was like wiping my fingers off. That's why it looks like that. But anyway, so that's the wand on this one. One thing about them is this mascara, it is really hard to get off, but that also means it wears really well. So I don't mind putting this one on my bottom lashes since it won't smudge on me anyway. So this is definitely more of like a lengthening, separating mascara versus volumizing, but I do like it. All right, there the eyes are done. I think I'm gonna forsake eyeliner today. I mean, it would be kind of late at this point to do that anyway. But I'm skipping eyeliner. Let's try out this lip mask. I'm not a giant fan of tubes where you have to use your finger to apply it on your lips, but we'll do it anyway. Yeah, that goes with the vibe I'm doing today. Tinted moisturizer, super simple little shimmery eye look. Yeah, I think that this beauty bento box might be my favorite of the ones that I have tried. I love it. All right, so what did I think of the products? The jury's still out on this Antidotes Tinted Moisturizer. It did end up blending nicely into my skin, but I feel like it didn't really want to stick to this part of my nose, and I'm not sure if I like how it's laying here on my face. So I'll have to see how it wears and try using it with different primers and such to see how I like it. And of course, the number one thing, will it break me out? I will keep you updated. And of course, I loved this Kaja Beauty Bento box, as I was just saying. This Hibiscus Lip Glow Mask from Seraphine Botanicals. Oh, my hair is sticking to it. It's just, you know, it's just a lip balm. I'll eventually get through this. It's not super exciting to me, but, you know, I did use my points on it, so I'm glad to find out that I enjoy it. As for the rest of the items in the bag, you know, it wasn't too exciting. I'm gonna have to pass along that lip product. If I could use it, by the way, I'd be excited about that because I really do love those glosses, how they feel on the lips and how they look. They're really, really nice. But I will eventually get through the skincare. It's just not exciting, you know? Well, I think that's gonna be it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you have a lovely weekend. I'll see you soon, guys, in my next video. Bye.